Okay, that guy's the pump. I've got to start by taking this guy off here. Next, there's things to undo here. And this red and white one here. Now there's a couple of screws, one on that side and one down there. And there's a hose that goes down into that tank, so we're going to take that out. So we got to pull this hose off the bottom of that, and then we got to unscrew this thing here. Now that thing seems to have a little bit of a green plastic washer or gasket or something right there. So next is to try to pull this tube off. Yeah, it's kind of, the rubber was a little corroded, so it was sticking to it. As you can see, I can kind of pry that off without too much trouble. Like that. Alright, here's my replacement unit. Looks like everything's the same. I think you can use an EAX, which is a metal tube, instead of EAP, but I just felt like getting the exact same replica piece here. So I'll have to take these wires off and put them on this guy. Take this guy off, take this guy off. It looks like there's a little tab to push down here. Push that down and that slides right off. That's that little guy there. This one seems to have some kind of rubberized glue on it or something. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just prying this up. And then that slides right out. I'll slide it in the exact same way. This guy here goes on the one next to that, where it came from. Next, let's take this off and screw this guy on. And I have to stick this plastic piece back through the black rubber. Alright, so that tube is going to go back down through there. Over here I have it behind the blue and white electricals. Easy peasy. Alright, so I got to reconnect a couple things here. That one there goes there, and this red and this white are going to connect. I'm going to screw those guys back together. Alright, that's about it. So I make sure it's not kinked down under there. It's all cool. Got some water in there. Gonna see if I can get some pump action. This thing was totally dead before and wouldn't do anything. Well, it's pumping great, so that was a success.